everyone for joining the session. Today we have completed our love workshop by giving the love to the universe, and at the same time, we are inviting the love from our future, all the future friends, all the future instances, places. So they all should come us with the love, so that we have done. By doing that, we have just completed the workshop today. So now next 5 days series is coming. So this is the hope and faith. So from tomorrow morning, next 5 days, we have to do hope and faith workshop. So what is the meaning of hope and faith? First of all, we should understand hope is kind of positivity in the coming time. Like whatever is going to be us in the future, we should be hopeful, we should be positively hopeful, we should be positive. So that is the hope, like hope for the future, hope for the good things are going to happen with me. So that is the hope. Hope is the major important key element to live the life. If we don't have any hope in the future, we will not able to survive, or we will not like to be happy. Like if there is no hope, why I should live, why I should do this, there is no hope. So people used to say that. But if, however, if you have any hope in your life to look forward, what you can do. Okay, so hope is major important ingredient of the life, if you will ask me. And at the same time, what is faith actually? Faith is trusting someone. And when we are doing this workshop, we are not doing faith for any person. We are going to do this workshop with the universe. So faith is totally we are putting to the universe. So we are going to put all the faith to our universe. So next 5 days are very important in that terminology. Like next 5 days, we have to vibrate on hope and faith. Hope for the better future, hope for the good future, hope for the dreams fulfillment, and we will make the faith in the universe. So now, like what activities we can do? The question can come. In that case, if we have to vibrate on hope and faith for next 5 days, what we should do? Now, come to the our again our starter for making the curd, like that. We are used to take the starter from our past. So if you remember from childhood till today, what you have done to get the faith in the universe, what you are doing for your faith actually. If you can recall, you have done so many things in your childhood, in your young age. Maybe lot of sayam you people have done to get the lot of fasting you have done. Somebody has done the mon to get their achievements, or get the uh, like attention of the universe. Okay, positive attention, so that universe can uh, closely come to near to you, and you can share your things. Okay, so next 5 days you have to identify those particular activities which you like to do for next 5 days. So these 5 days are just all the activities which you can do with the universe only. You can do the meditation, you can do the fasting, you can do the mon ki shakti, or you can do service to the other people. Like, and at the same time find out how you are connecting when you are doing the service to the other people. At that time, are you connecting with the universe? Is there a connection? Is you can feel like you are connected with the universe, and then you are doing the service. So do activities, and this is totally customized 5 days. Everyone can make their own style and share with all of us in the group what you have decided. Now the third important factor for next 5 days is you can select one particular activity and you can do for all the 5 days, and you can do the multiple activities for you and you have to do for the 5 days. For example, somebody used to read Sundarkand, somebody used to read okay, I want to going to finish 108 time Hanuman Chalisa for coming 5 days, or I am going to read the Hanuman Chalisa once in per day in the coming days. You have to do something ritual, something related to the things which you were keep doing from all the time from your childhood to till now, which is connecting you with the universe in a true meaning, where shows the hope and faith. For example, remember your childhood when you were asking something, you are putting the prayer to the Supreme God all the time, all the time, all the time, and your prayer has been answered. When your prayer has been answered, you feel more faith in the universe and you are keeping that hope for the coming further things. Yes, I can achieve that thing also with the hope in the faith and the faith in the universe. So, next 5 days, whatever we learned from our elders, whatever we learned from our teachers, our spiritual schools, or which is your Shakti, which is making you the person as you are today. If you are doing the spiritual workshops, if you are doing the emotional strength workshop, if you are vibrating on love, forgiveness, gratitude, acceptance, so think on that point, like, yes, I am a very good person, I have beautiful virtues in me, I am a really awesome personality, so who made me that way? So now we have to make the new virtue. You are vibrating on that virtue by default. Everybody, everyone on this earth is vibrating on hope and faith. However, people are not recognizing. Sometimes we are not aware with our connection with the universe. So next 5 days, totally it is your workshop, and you people will share what you decided for you to do the next 5 days. Commit with the full commitment. You can some people used to say like, okay, I will not take the dinner after 6, or for the next 5 days, or I will not eat the non-veg for next 5 days, or maybe I will be the complete shakahari for the vegetarian for the next 5 days. That is your commitment which you think you are going to present to the universe. Next 5 days is totally for you, hope and faith, you and me, and I am going to do this activity for connecting with you. So this is the not easy workshop. However, if you like to continue, you can. Otherwise, it is perfectly on your choice. But my belief is, if you will do, you will enjoy a lot. Your connection with the universe will be more powerful, and you will get this one more area of getting the strength from inner self. So let me brief today's session. So we will take the starter from our past, what all the time we have done in our lifetime. For example, in my childhood, I have taken the like 40 days I will read the Sundarkand. So that is, I took the one challenge in my childhood. Similar way, you people are also have done many times. Some people used to think like, I will go to the temple, but however temples are not open right now. Oh, but we can do something at our own at the home. Okay, for 5 days I will not be angry at all. Whatever will happen to me, I will not be angry. So this type of the things which you are going to give to the universe, just like a flowers offering to the universe. These are my flowers I am going to offer to my universe. So you have to identify and you have to share. Day 1, you will share all your 5 days activities, what you are going to do for next 5 days, and then for the remaining days we will share our attendance. Yes, I have done this thing for me. So meditation can be the one of the category, definitely. So meditation, so by default I am counting it on that, in but however you have to add more things to make your life more controlling power or the sanyam on yourself and making offering to the universe. Before closing this powerful workshop, something we should give to the universe as an offering. I am coming with these flowers for you, my universe. Please accept them and bring the happiness in my life. So this is only the motive. And if you remember, if you have seen the symbol of uh, this workshop, love workshop, on our what is our DP we are proposing there, that is the beautiful pink color heart is there, and there are two hands, and there is a circle or the spiral in between. Do you know what is the meaning of that actually? The spiral yellow color inside the two hands, that is the gratitude, and the two open hands are for forgiveness, and the big symbol is the heart symbol is for the love. So if you will see, the biggest power is the love, and when we will ask for the forgiveness and the gratitude and the love, we have covered lot of things in our life. So, and this gratitude is giving you, it's a loop, kind of. If you will see that symbol, it's a loop. It's how much you are sending to the gratitude to the universe, that is coming back to you, sending that gratitude coming back to you. So that is the cycle. And at the same time, we always remember, we will ask forgiveness, we will give the gratitude in abundance, we will vibrate, or we will receive abundance of love from the universe and for all the blessings what we have. So, and love is so powerful, it is going to take gratitude and forgiveness in that, and when the all the three are there, then the happiness is there. Acceptance is by default there between the forgiveness and gratitude. So higher frequency is the love. So this symbolic DP we have created long back when we started last year our sessions. So this is the meaning. I thought like let me tell you that also. So we have to identify the starter, and we have to see the beautiful affirmations for next 5 days. I have full faith in the universe. I am in universe blessing. Universe is taking care of me day and night. I am in full faith in the universe, with the universe. Okay, so this is all about from my side. If you have any query, you can ask me now. Thank you everyone for joining.